Hello everyone, this is Coder Singh, and today I'm just going to talk about what all things I'm running on my server. So this is I am SSH into my server. My server name is Pink Moon. It's a Linux Ubuntu server. Uh, so let me just do Docker PS real quick so that you can see all the things. Okay, it's not pretty good. Let me do Docker PS and get you the good stuff out. So I'm going to print $2 over here, and yeah, let's do minus size so that you can even see all the services which sometimes I run. So let me start with the first service, which is news collector. So it is triggered by Airflow over here. So Airflow triggers a Docker container, which is a news collector, which always kicks in like in every 4 hours every day. So this is something I'm doing in the background to collect some news and process it, do some NLP task on it and stuff like that to process my like it facilitate. I kind of trade cryptocurrencies, and news are one of the indicators which helps in deciding like should I buy or not, should I buy, hold, sell, and stuff like that. Second thing is open speed test. So open speed test, I created a video in it. So just search Coder Singh open speed test. It's basically an open source tool which I use to test my home network speed or home lab speed, so that it just tells me what's the speed of the home network. Super base, so it's an alternate to Firebase, and I have built some apps for my house, for me and for my wife, for ourselves, so that we can use and store our data locally. So it comes with a couple of things: Superbase storage, real time, go through. I don't know what exactly is this, but yeah, something related to the Superbase for sure. Superbase, Postgres again, and then it has Kong. So Kong is basically an API gateway. Superbase, Postgres again. Okay, it's Postgres, and it's Postgres Meta, so it's different. Now it's Postgres. Now it makes sense. And Superbase Studio, which is just gives the interface for to access the files and authentication files, in the sense like in storage I upload files, so that's why I was saying files, and the database and everything from the studio itself. Quay or Quai, I don't know how people say, but Quai gives a cool tool called Minio or Minio. So Minio is just like an AWS version of an open AWS S3, but it's open source. So in short, it's like my cold storage with stuff I want to upload and do some processing in my Python scripts, and so I upload it to this server, which is kind of cool. And I can use the same APIs like for which I use for like Bodo 3, which is used for AWS. I can use the same API, so that's give me an advantage over there. And then yeah, Airflow is running, I would say, only one task at the moment. I had like a couple of tasks before, but I got it in my other server. I am running in those in my other server. um and then I have Mattermost. So Mattermost is basically a Slack kind of application, which is again open source, so I'm using that. Timescale DB. So Timescale DB is used to store time series data. It's built on top of Postgres. In this, I'm storing my data related to cryptocurrencies trading and stuff like that. Ant Media is for streaming to YouTube online, like with a live session on the YouTube. So I sometimes use it, sometimes I don't for my other channel. But yeah, it's like, and I don't always keep it on, but yeah, sometimes I just do. Registries. So I have multiple servers. Like to be exact, I have 3 servers right now. And Registry helps me to actually pull and push the Docker. So it's like a Docker registry, which I've hosted on my server over here. And it helps me to push the repositories, which if I'm building it on my personal laptop, if I'm building it on my other laptop, then I can just easily push it to the registry and I can just pull it from here. So super easy, super useful. So these are the tasks which I'm running in Docker, and I have some other tasks using PM2, which are related to mainly cryptocurrency trading. But apart from that, I do have some Snap task services which are running, like mini Kubernetes cluster, mini K8s, so that I can test some Kubernetes deployment before I actually deploy it on AWS. Yeah, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel. It really motivates me to make new content for you guys. Thank you.